Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter coming to you from the Man Cave Studios. Well, I finished all three of the Traditions kits. The Kentucky Rifle, the Blunderbuss, and the Kentucky Pistol. You ready to see them, folks? Yep, there they are. Not bad for first time making these kits. I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed bringing the videos to you. I hope you guys did too. I look forward to your comments. I really appreciate it. Well, here they are. Let's get up there close. This is the Kentucky Rifle. And not bad. And here's the Blunderbuss. And the Kentucky Pistol. As you see, the Blunderbuss finish did not come out with the rust color like the Kentucky Pistol and the Kentucky Rifle here. I used the same Birchwood Casey Cold Blue, and that's how it came out. That's a scary looking thing on the end of there. I guarantee that. I wouldn't want to face something like that. But I think they come overall. I think they come out great. My friend, a good friend of mine, he's coming to come pick them up tomorrow. I hope he's pleased with them. Overall, I think they're great. Not bad. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment. I appreciate it. Share it with your friends. Give them thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And just for display purposes, back in the day I tried my hand at making knives, and this is one of them. I think it blends in with the display here. And here's the other one. My crack at a coffin bowie. The scabbard is made out of wood also. Not bad. But here they are. If you're looking for a black powder rifle or blunderbuss, check out Traditions. Really good customer service. Didn't have to do a lot of fitting or anything. Didn't really have to do that. But they come out good. Can't wait to take them to the range and see how they do. I might do a video on that one, folks. Well, till next time, please, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. I do enjoy the comments. Till next time, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine and the people of Israel. Have a safe one, folks.